All right, so we're back on the trail. We've had a day of horrible snow, 2 days of sunshine, a day of rain, and we're back to sunshine. We're holed up in this hotel outside of Tucson, kind of keeping in contact with Two-Step, Rubik's, Someday, a few other hikers that we've met along the way to kind of see what people are doing. There's a huge storm. Right now it's in the Pacific Ocean. It's going to be here in a couple days, and it's going to be thunder and lightning and all of that stuff. So going up into Saguaro National Park, not a good idea right now. We're slack packing today, so that essentially means that we've left our sleeping bag and tent in the hotel room, have food and stuff, emergency supplies for today, so the packs are lighter. We only have about 12 miles to do to get to Colossal Caves. Maybe we'll go in there and kind of look around at stuff, see what that looks like. But now I gotta figure out what we're gonna do. Do we flip ahead a little bit? You know, the mountain ranges are high all the way up through the state. The storm is gonna cover the whole state. Some people are waiting it out a few days. So 4 more days in cheap hotels sounds like a nightmare to me. But, you know, you gotta do what's safe. And after that first night, we know that, you know, you got to play it safe. Oh yeah, that doesn't look creepy at all. Oh, good God. In the shallow, shallow. Nothing says wild, wild west like long stretches of railroad. It's like a scene out of the movie Stand By Me. Here's Bangles' new rental car. Yeah, baby! Hot rod mama! Modern day cowgirl. Fresh day of hiking today. Again, we are slack packing. We've come up with a plan. You can kind of see the clouds in the background. That's where we need to go over there. So see how that sort of really dropped down and gotten dark. So at 9,000 feet, that is not going to be much fun. So we're slack packing today about 10 miles from Hope Camp Trail to Colossal Cave. And we'll probably finish off the day, maybe going through a tour or something like that. Bangles has rented a car, a sweet ride. And who knows what she's doing while we're on the trail, but she's letting her blisters heal, so she's got some, her feet are in kind of rough shape there. And we'll do this today, and then we're gonna keep an eye on the weather, and we'll get back up on the trail on the other side of Mica Mountain. So Mica Mountain here in Saguaro Park is just gonna be a mess. So according to rangers and people at the local Summit Hut in Tucson, you need to go shopping there. These people are awesome. They gave us some great information and helped us figure out a workaround for our current weather situation.
Why is it called the Quitter Trail?
Because we keep quitting and starting again. We can't seem to get our momentum and hike like 2, maybe 3 days in a row. That would be awesome. 3 days in a row. 2 overnights.
So are you saying you've taken a couple zeros on this trip?
Oh, I think there's probably been more zeros than actual hiking. But I can do a great review on all the cheap hotels in Tucson.
You're like, I'm taking a video.
It's a video, yeah. I'm gonna catch you in action, crossing this fine, fine bridge. I don't know if I could top that. I might end up with my feet in the stream. That is the section we are going to skip. It looks so harmless right now, but there's going to be thunderstorms there later today. It's an interesting route system. These guys have been flying over me all morning long. You can see how the weather is changing. There is definitely a storm a-brewing. This is my least favorite terrain. This stuff really hurts after a day. Only if you fall down.
That could be arranged.
Casa Amor. TikkiMon tries to cook.
To cook popcorn.
Oh my God.
And now we are living in the smoke-filled room. So we're moving to chips now.
Moving to chips. I think non-cooking food for you is a good way to go.
Yeah.
Cold soak. That's true.
Check out that rain. We are inside, we are dry, we are not in the snow, we are not up in the mountains. It is pouring out there and we're at low elevation right now. So anybody up in the mountains is getting it far worse than we are down here.
This is a scary, scary situation. It's a very scary state. My state's used to rain. This is not right.
Just to emphasize how hard it's raining, you should go sit in that chair on the patio.
No, I'm not going to sit in that chair.